When you have a bunch of nodes scattered on the canvas, you can use the Figma Tidy feature to rearrange them. But Figma Tidy feature only works with few number of nodes, around 50 I think. And also it has some opinion on how to arrange these nodes. Most of the time it is not what you want. I usually like to arrange my nodes in a grid, but for it I have to manually rearrange the nodes one by one. And that's what this plugin is set out to solve. Let's select a bunch of nodes. As you can see, here we have selected a large number of nodes, so the Figma's default tidy feature is not available here. Now open the quick action panel and type tidy up. Here you can see 4 predefined commands. For now, let's select open tidy up command. A panel opens up and you have a bunch of configuration to play with. For now, let's skip all of them and click tidy up. Voila! All the node has been arranged in a perfect grid. By default, these nodes are sorted based on the position, but you can change to something like width ascending, which means from the smallest width to largest width. Nice. Let's sort based on the height ascending. This looks perfect. Based on the number of nodes, this plugin has automatically picked the optimal number of columns. But I can override this by setting a column count. Let's say I want 12 columns. Voila. I can also arrange the node based on the row count if I want. You can also configure the columns and rows width and gap. Let's say I want each column to take up 1200 pixel and 32 pixel gap between them. Let's see. Nice. And one more thing I want to explain is the alignment. Here I have a 6 column grid, each of with 1000 pixel and 320 pixel gap between them. By default, all these images are aligned to the top left portion of the grid. You can change this alignment to, let's say, top center or middle center. Hope it helps.